Rotating dollies can move heavy loads 360 degrees. But why make the investment in GKS rotating dollies? Easier maneuverability of the load makes heavy moving more efficient. Stop wasting time turning tank rollers with sledgehammers or making three-point turns in tight spaces. The rollers on our dollies have a special teeth design that prevents stripping and enables the rollers to have a longer life. Our rotating dollies feature fewer welds than others, making our dolly stronger and more reliable. Our rotating dollies are made in Germany and are backed with a 5-year warranty. We warehouse all of our product in Springfield, Ohio, ready to ship within 24 hours. When you're moving heavy loads, make the investment in high-quality rigging equipment to move safely and efficiently. Trust, responsiveness, quality. That's what you can expect from GKS.